Hello guys, you're welcome to LightPips YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to be talking about what Forex trading is all about, and it's going to be for beginners. You are going to understand it in a clear, simple term, how Forex trading works and how the market works. You've been hearing about online trading and how you want to start trading in the online financial market. This video is for you. So let's get started.
All right, guys. So now this is beginners Forex market basics, whereby we are going to be talking about the basic things that you need to understand and the basic things you need to know before you dive into the world of Forex trading. Okay. Now these are the things we are going to be discussing about. This is the content that we have in this video. What is Forex? Types of financial markets, then currency pairs explained, Forex market, how traders makes money, and then we have our conclusion. Okay, now the first thing, what is Forex trading? What is Forex? F-O-R-E-X. Now Forex simply means foreign exchange. Foreign exchange. Forex simply means what? Foreign exchange, as you can see on the screen. Now it is the buying and selling of currencies. So when it comes to Forex trading, what you are doing is that you are buying and you are selling currencies. That's what it means. And Forex trading is the largest market that we have in the whole world. The largest market, whereby you have over $7.7 trillion that is being traded every day in the market. That is why I said it is the largest financial market in the world. And guess what? The goal of Forex trading basically is to make profit from the movement of price. Either price is rising or price is falling. You tend to make profit from the movement of price. Now, talking about the types of financial market that we have, which is the second thing we'll be discussing, because we know there is Forex market, but then let's talk about the other markets that we have. We have the likes of the stock market. The stock market is where you get to trade the shares of companies, and guess what? We don't deal with local shares. Okay, you trade shares like Amazon, Facebook, Google. Those are the examples of shares that you trade. Then we have the Forex market, where you trade the different currencies that is being used for international transaction across the globe. You have the bond market, whereby you trade the government bond. There is a 10-year bond, there is 30-year bonds that you can also trade with. Then also you have the commodities market. Commodities market is where you trade the likes of oil, the likes of gold, aluminium, and there are so many commodities that can be traded in the financial market. There are other markets like the crypto market, the indices market. Now there are so many markets, but out of all this market, the largest of them all is the Forex market. So moving to how currency is being traded now, which means how is currency being traded? Currency pairs. Now currency, you can't trade one single currency. It has to be two different currency. In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs. For example, you have EUR against USD. You have EUR against USD. That is euro versus dollar. Now the first currency is what we call the base currency, B-A-S-E, base currency, while the second currency is called the quote currency. The first currency is the base, which is euro, and the second currency is the quote, which is US dollar. So if I have something like USD JPY, that means that USD, which is the first, is the base, then JPY, which is the second, is the quote. That is how you trade currency. You trade the value of one currency against another currency. Now, this is how it works. When traders buy, for example, Euro USD, it means that they believe the price of Euro is rising against that of dollar, which means that Euro is stronger than the dollar. That means when you click buy on the trading platform, it means that you are buying Euro okay, because trading has to do with buying and selling. And also, when traders sell, you can either buy or you sell. When traders sell Euro USD, it means they believe the dollar will become what? Stronger. Which means if I click buy, I am buying Euro, and automatically I am selling USD. This will still be explained in my next video, so you can subscribe so that you don't miss out in any of the videos that I will be dropping. All right, so you can buy and you can sell, but just note this: when you buy, you are buying the first currency. When you sell, you are selling the first currency. And the way it now works is, when you buy the first currency, automatically you are selling the second currency. When you sell the first currency, automatically you are buying the second currency. All right, now let's quickly move on to the people that are participating in the market. Who are the people that are trading in the market? I am not the only one. You are not the only one that wants to trade in the global financial market. All right, so these are the people that we have. Just like you can see on the screen, we have individual investors. That means that is you and I. You and I, we are individuals. We are the one, you know, we have so many individuals that are participating in the market. Okay, and why we are trading in the market is just for investment. You have hedge funds, you have government bodies, you have brokers, and there are some agents, which are organizations that also participate in the global financial market. Talking about government, you have the likes of the central banks. Okay, the central banks, you know, they are the first set of people that participate in the market, followed by organizations, which are the hedge funds and the likes, JP Morgan and all those, Goldman Sachs. Those are the people that are actually participating in the online financial market. Now, the next thing is how buying and selling works. I've explained that, but this is where I'm going to explain it the more. Look at the slide very well. In Forex trading, there are two directions. It is either price is rising or price is falling. So it is either price is rising or price is falling. So now, if you buy, that means you believe that euro will rise against dollar. If you sell, that means that you are expecting euro to fall against dollar. That is how buying and selling works. Okay, you buy when you believe the price will go up, you sell when you believe price will go down. That's how it works. Anytime price is going up, you are expected to buy. Anytime price is coming down, you are expected to sell. And that is how you buy, that is how you sell, so that you can make profit. So now, how do you make profit? Remember, we have said you buy when the price is going up so that you can make profit. You sell when the price is going down so that you can also make profit. Now, forex traders makes money from the movement of price. If you place a trade and price is not moving, there is no profit, there is no loss for you. So if the market moves in the direction of your trade, you make profit. And if the market moves against your trade, that means the price is not going in your direction, but it is going against you. That means you are making loss. All right, now this is why you need to learn risk management and analysis, how to analyze the market properly, which is still part of the videos I'm going to be releasing for you guys. But ensure to subscribe to this channel so that you can be getting more of those videos. Now, what are the mistakes that beginners normally make? Because beginners believe that once you just hear about trading, you just make money. Now, let me quickly tell you one of the biggest mistakes that beginners usually make. One mistake many beginners make is thinking Forex is a get-rich-quick scheme. Get-rich-quick scheme. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Forex trading is a skill. And for any skill that you have, number one, you need to learn the skill. You need to learn the skill. You need to be disciplined in learning the skill. And you need to be patient in learning the skill also, because if you are not disciplined and you are not patient, there is no way you can easily learn the skill of trading in the global financial market. So it is a skill you need to learn. It is not a get rich quick scheme. No be MMM. All right, before you start thinking, they said you can, make times 2 of your capital within 2 hours. Yes, it's possible, but then you need to be disciplined before that can be achieved. Do not rush to make money without understanding the market first. Don't be like brother Shidi that did not understand the market and they just want to quickly overturn the market in his favor. All right, so these are the basics of forex trading that we are going to be talking about for this video. So ensure that you subscribe to the channel. Now, in conclusion, the forex market is an essential yet complex ecosystem that offers vast opportunities for profit and hedging, but demands high risk awareness, continuous learning, and a disciplined strategy to navigate it successfully.
I hope this video helped you to understand the basics of forex trading, and if you want more beginner video tutorial on how to use the trading platform, on how to understand the basics of forex trading, like this video and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.